ID I need. If you don't tell me where that ID is, I'm going to put Helen first on it. Just so you know. You're going to be there for a while. Where's that ID at?
All the stuff. I gave you whatever is in my pocket. In my pocket. I gave you whatever you want.
Where's that other ID?
Just so you know.
Huh?
Sam still hot.
Yeah. That's the ID I need.
On the afternoon of the 18th of February 2023, at 4:54 p.m. Eastern Time, -0500, an Axon Body 3 camera captured officers responding to a Verizon store in South Carolina. Staff reported that a customer was attempting to open a phone line using a suspicious, possibly fake ID.
It's okay.
At least I know where it's at.
Hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good, how are you, ma'am?
I'm doing good. Apparently you're trying to use somebody else's name to open a line here.
I'm sorry.
You have your ID on you?
Yeah.
Let me see it.
Can we see it, please?
Yeah, sure. What happened now?
The person's name you're trying to use to open a line here. Who is he or she to you?
My son. He's away at school. Wow.
Why are you trying to get under your son's line?
Well, he's going away to college, so I was trying to get him a new phone, you know. So, there you go.
Where's your driver's license?
I don't have a driver's license because I'm not cleared to drive yet because I had surgery. So I have to go back to the doctor before I can get.
You don't have any driver's license? Any other form
It
of ID?
expired. Yeah, it
Okay,
expired.
yeah, let me have it.
It expired.
I don't care if it expired. It's actually if you had a driver's license. No.
Yeah, this one expired. It's expired. That's why I gave you that instead.
No, it's okay. What's going on?
Same note? Is it the same note? Yeah.
Can you run a New Jersey DL for me, please?
Can I have the phone number for the guy that you guys called?
954.
And the name?
Same name.
Can you call him?
Yeah.
He's good. Yeah.
Show me 10-6 at HQ for vehicle issues.
You good, right?
One second, I'm dealing with
What happened? They called up saying I was trying to impersonate somebody? Or?
They're saying the name you gave them. They called that person. That person doesn't know you.
Oh.
Is that what's happening? Is that person actually your son? Don't lie to me and tell me
No,
that.
I'm not gonna lie. That person's not my son.
Okay, so why are you trying to get on that person's line?
I don't know, because somebody promised to pay me money to do something, and I usually done it.
I'm sorry?
Somebody was gonna pay me money if I got them a phone.
So somebody was gonna pay you
Money to get them a phone.
to get them a phone.
Yeah, because I had no money, yes.
And you, how did you come up with this person's name to give them?
They gave me the number. They gave me.
Okay.
I don't know how they did it. I don't know how. I was on the street. They just gave me on the street.
So somebody walked up to you. They said they were going to pay you.
No, they were driving past.
They said they were going to pay
Paid
you
me
to buy
$50
somebody
to
a
get,
phone.
$50 to get to a phone. Yeah, they said you get it, no problem.
And who was that person?
I don't know. I just met them.
How would they have gotten the phone? Did you get a phone number for them?
But no, they would meet me or pick me up outside later.
No matter Florida's address.
What's that?
You don't have any address in here in Florida?
No, on my Myrtle Beach address I have.
What is that?
I forgot. Yeah, I'm staying with my brother in Myrtle Beach. That's what my new address is. I just retired, you know. I didn't get my money back from because I was out of work for 2.5 years with COVID, you know. So I had no money, you know.
So
Can we just forget about all this?
your story is still a little confusing.
Alright, I'll tell you whatever you want. I'm an honest guy. I'll tell you whatever you want to know.
You in the street, somebody just walked up to you, said they were going to pay you.
To get them the phone, yeah. They gave me, I didn't know who the person was that I'm getting the phone from. They had the name.
Go ahead. They gave you no phone number on how to reach them.
No. They said when you get the phone, we'll be outside. We'll be outside waiting.
Yes, 10-4 it is. Does he have anything active?
No.
No personal, nothing else.
We can forget about this whole thing. I'll never.
Alright, let's go back. Somebody drove up to you in the street.
I was walking. They just passed me by. They said, we have an idea. We want you to upgrade and get somebody a phone and maybe a PlayStation. I said, how am I going to do that? I can't do that. They said, no, we have the ID. So
They give you the person's name, phone number, and everything.
Yeah, I don't know that person.
So how were you supposed to reach that person and give them back the phone?
Not when I came out, they would meet me in the parking lot. That's what they told me.
So are they waiting on you now?
I hope. But now I don't know now.
What does that person look like?
About 6'2", black, short hair, like crew cut, and he was wearing yellow sneakers. That's the one thing I know.
Black male?
Yeah.
Haircut, dreads,
Short crew cut,
short
And
cut.
you have shake hands or
white t-shirt, but he had yellow sneakers.
reference looking up for my vehicle and see if they can fix that for me, please.
Let's see. Is he going to be 51?
Yeah. No, I don't think he is. I'm gonna call him again though, just to verify all this stuff. Let me see his ID. He's gonna be 51.
I'm not looking for no trouble.
My patrol vehicle is Caprice.
You were born in New York?
Yeah.
And you say you retired down here?
Yeah. Yep. I'll never come in a Verizon again. I promise. Yeah, but I guess, I had a blood loss with, I had surgery too. This week, and I have to go back. See this? I have a hernia. I was trying to get some money.
And if they have beers on them.
Do you have any family in the area?
Yeah, I do. So, my daughter was going to school here for a while. So I was going to go visit her too. But this is one of my brothers in Myrtle Beach. I stay with him.
Is that Vero Beach?
Myrtle.
Myrtle Beach.
Actually, North Myrtle Beach. Yeah. That's where I've been living because I pay half the rent, when I can afford it.
How long
That's
do you
in
plan on
Jersey.
staying here for before you go back to
I'm
New
going
Jersey?
home Monday night, so I have to go for the surgery.
Okay, so you leave.
I have to have the surgery. But, yeah. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Stupid. I should have never tried to do it. I know better. I wouldn't even jaywalk.
All right, you got it.
He tried to contact me. You want me to give you his phone number?
I'm not sure whose phone number.
Whoever that person is. I'll get his phone number then.
What, the guy that...
The guy that drove past was, I don't know, I think it was,
You have a phone number for him?
no, that's what I said. How am I going to, he said he would meet me outside.
Oh,
Then I said if he gets back and switch it, you know what I'm saying? I'll get his phone number this time and give it to you.
okay.
You know what I'm saying? I'm not looking for any trouble.
And all this happened today?
This will happen today, yeah. Today's down here.
All right, go ahead and tell me that story one more time. What happened?
What's that?
Tell me the story that you told her about what happened.
I was walking down the street here,
Yep.
and a white, I think it was a Chevy, pulled up to me and asked me, you know, if I could get a PlayStation or a phone. I said, how could I do that? And he had an ID or something for me. So then we gave me
Where's that ID at?
I think they have it.
Okay.
So I don't know, I've just been sitting here ever since.
Okay. So you came in and you tried to...
Yeah.
Okay. And you knew that wasn't your ID?
I know, yeah.
Okay.
I'm being honest with you.
Yeah, stand up for me.
Oh, come on, man.
Stand up for me. Stand up for me or I'm going to make you stand up.
What happened?
Going to jail.
Why?
Stand up.
I'm gonna go to jail.
Stand up.
What, do you need the can to stand up?
Yeah, I do.
Alright, go ahead.
Fine. We'll put you in the front, but you're going to jail tonight.
What do I do?
Let him stand up first using
Stand
the
up.
can.
Stand
Stand
up.
up. Alright, let me get the can. Let me get this.
I'm going to get the clerk and stuff information. You got them? You can watch them in my car. Yeah, please.
Let me get the keys, sir. Thank you. Come on.
So, where are you? I'm waiting 2 days. And then what? So,
Going this way to the right. All the way down.
Yeah.
Step up. Step down, go on the passenger side. Step down over here. Keep going, keep going. You have anything on you? I got you, hold on. Do you have anything on you that's going to hurt me for property?
First off, you lied to me. Where's the false ID that matches your James?
I told you
You did not. You did not. You did not. You gave me a James.
I lied to you.
Okay. Search him because he has another ID that matches that same one.
Alright, face the car for me. Face the car.
Where is that ID?
During questioning, the man repeatedly changed his story first, claiming the phone was for his son. Then, saying a stranger on the street offered him $10 to open an account using the fake ID. His contradictions raised officers' suspicions, and a search revealed another ID hidden on him.
Whatever is in my pocket, in my pocket. I gave you whatever you
Where's
want.
that other
Hot,
ID?
just so you know. That's still hot.
Yeah, that's the ID I need. Why are you lying? Why are you lying to me?
I didn't lie to you.
You do.
Why would I lie to you?
You going to jail.
Back to the robbery.
I'm sorry?
Back to the robbery.
Where your ID at? I mean, your yeah. Or are you gonna do all this stuff right here in my front?
I'll do that.
I just gotta get a sworn from her.
You don't have anything else on you, do you? You don't understand by taking anything into the jail that's going to be extra charges, correct?
All right.
Just verifying, no drugs, nothing. Right, come this way for me.
Want a cigarette?
No. Stand right here.
Make it tighter?
No, I'm trying to turn them so that way it's more comfortable. Hands this way. There you go. Alright. Get in the back of the car for me.
That other ID, where's that at? Can I get it back there?
It might be in his wallet.
Right outside the Verizon store, officers placed the man in handcuffs and detained him on charges of possessing a forged ID and fraudulent use of personal information. The charges were later dropped for undisclosed reasons.